Hey there guys, this is Vinay here, back with another video, and this video is dedicated to all my South Indian subscribers who have been commenting to make a video in English just like the old times. So guys, this one is dedicated to you, and in this video the featured car is a 2016 Hyundai Verna in which we have done two major mods, first one being the universal predator kit and the second one being the suspension upgrade. So what's the hold up? Let's just dive into the video and start it up. Alright guys, so we have done two mods to this a 2016 Verna Fluidic. The first mod being the Predator kit. For those of you who all don't know, the Predator kit is being conceptualized and developed by me and my team. It's developed by using architectural alloy and it weighs next to nothing. It is based on a modular platform, which means it will fit most of the sedans and hatchbacks out there. Unlike your regular plastic aftermarket bumper lip accessory, this is calibrated to optimize the drag of your car and provide you optimal downforce, thereby improving handling and stability at high speed. All this by looking mean and aggressive on the street. Since this is based off architectural alloy, unlike the plastic regular bumper lip, this does not crack or break if you hit a speed bump or a curb. The Predator kit can be wrapped or painted or hydro dipped to fancy your needs. Also, the installation of the Predator kit is quite simple and easy. The standard Predator kit includes the front lip spoiler which you see installed on this vehicle. Also, the side winder spoiler which streamlines the airflow, and last but not the least, a rear diffuser which prevents the formation of air pockets under the rear bumper. What's even more interesting is, since this is based on a modular platform, so a single piece replacement is possible. What I mean, suppose God forbid you end up in an accident and you damage only the front left portion of the front splitter, in this case only the canard. So the canard can be separately shipped to you in case you damage only the canard. You don't need to buy the entire kit or the entire front lip of the car. So this gives us an advantage over the regular standard plastic thing. I have made a separate video explaining all the advantages of the Predator kit. The video's link can be found in the description portion below, so kindly check it out. Prices and everything related to the Predator kit is also in the description portion below, so make sure you check out the description portion of this video. The second mod that we have done to this car is the suspension upgrade. The suspension has been upgraded to ACR shock absorbers. We have only replaced the shock absorber and not the springs of this car. You know, the advantage of ACR shock absorber is that it is a stiffer setup as compared to the normal setup. The advantage of this is that it improves the braking, eliminates body roll by reducing unnecessary upward movement. Another major advantage is that this is a retrofit design. That means there is no modification required for installation of this product. This can be fitted into your car in the stock setup itself. It also maximizes the grip of your car and it reduces the tire wear. For more information, I have left the link to their website in the description box of this video, so kindly check it out. And in case if you want to purchase this yourself, the purchase link is also mentioned in the description. With that said, it's time for me to sign out. This is Vinay signing off.
Never stop dreaming. I'll see you in the next one.
Fearless.